Hi everyone, I am Ganesh Korde. Today I am going to talk on one of the important human emotion which everyone wants most in their lives. As it is an emotion, it needs a self experience and self realization. So to begin with, I request all of you to close your eyes for next 30 seconds and just be thoughtless, relax, calm and be with the self and just think about the person which you love most, and let's find why you love that person. What is the reason why you love so much that person? So let's begin. Thank you all of you. Hope you have found the right person and the right reason for the love. So today's my topic is 21st century love is a real love. So what is love? Probably someone out of you, some people have experienced these things, uh, who are recently married in 21st century are going to get married and in a process of finding the fiance. So they might have noticed, suppose he is a male, he has a list of expectations which he expects from his fiance. For example, male is there, he wants a good looking girl, a good peoples, and educated. So there are a lot of many expectation list is there. And if it is a female, then it is a fix. I think the standardized one. He should have, the boy should have uh, his own flat, his car, and mostly nowadays uh, living singly, not with the parents. So there are a list of different expectations. So do you think, is it the right way of finding the loved one? So what is love? Is it the attraction, or it is the things which the person has with him, or it is the property, it's the money which he has? What exactly the love means? Or he is a good looking guy, his hairs are very nice, his beard is very nice, so someone should love on that one. So is it the real meaning of 21st century? So that is it. That is very difficult to define a love in a single definition, because each one has its own perspective, its own way of looking at the love, and especially in this uh, Bollywood era, it is very difficult to find the right definition of the love. So here I am here just talking about the this particular topic very easily in my own way, which I understood as a love. I'm not here to change or check anybody's perspective of looking at love. So, as per me, what I understood, there is a famous say from a famous writer, Paulo Coelho, who has written a book Alchemist, which recently I uh, read in this lockdown period. He says, "Love is a untamed force." It means there is some natural force is available. So love is untamed force. If you try to control, it destroys you, and if you try to imprison it, it becomes enslaves you, आपको गुलाम बना देगा. And if you try to understand it, it will confuse you, it will lost you, it will make you lost somewhere. So what is it exactly? So when I gone through it, I came to end that I would say the real love is a feeling which does not depend on anything. It's just a feeling, it's a natural feeling. Each one of you just feel it, don't try to check it, it's a feeling. It does not depend upon what person is doing, what other is doing, that it is independent of it. So that is what I mean love is. Thank you all of you.